This is black+decker toaster oven. In this video, I'm going to do unboxing and let's make a test to see how it works. A quick start guide, and this is menu, and it got 3 pieces. So let me remove the tape. The shelf is metal, the front panel is metal, and here is glass, and inside, all inside are all metal. Very good. The heating part is kind of glass. It got 3 functions. The first one is the boil. You turn to here, and then the second one is the bake, and then the third one is the toast. And here it got timer, so you can do the timing thing. So it's ticking right now, and here also you can do the temperature. Put this one right in here. I already feel the temperature there. It's pretty hot now. Now you can see some smoking coming out. The reason I want to do this is because there gotta be some oil, kind of oil inside. I just want to make sure that all the oil gonna come out. And before the first time you use, it's gonna be a good idea to let it burn a bit. Now it's been 3-4 minutes, and I can feel that super hot right now, and there's only a bit smoking coming out from the top, and inside there's nothing from the inside. So now I'm planning to put some food on it and to see how it works. Like here. It's been about 3-4 minutes, and I can smell it's pretty good. Alright, so time is up. Let's take a look. Alright, it's perfect. I can smell it super good. And you know, in this way that you don't really need to use the big oven. It will cost a lot of electricity and it will take your time. So for the oven, big oven for preheating, it's already done. You see, it's nice, golden. It smells good. And another thing I like it is that it's made of metal. It's pretty sturdy and it's small. It doesn't take a lot of time. You see, after it's done, the inside is clean. I don't need to clean up. It's pretty good. I think this is a very good addition in your kitchen. So anything like a piece of pizza, some kind of bread, you can use this way to heat it up. Really convenient. I like it. Hopefully this video is helpful. Thank you for watching.